A, B, C, D, sing and play with me. Phonics is fun, as easy as can be. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for cup, D for dog, D for duck, A, B, C, D, sing and play with me. Phonics is fun, as easy as can be. E for elephant, E for egg, F for fish, F for fan, G for goat, G for grapes, G for H for hat, H for hen, go. E, F, G, H, come and sing with me. Learning phonics as easy as 1, 2, 3. I for igloo, I for insect, J for jam, J for jug, K for kite, K for key, L for lion, L for leaf, I, J, K, L, now you know so well. Let's keep going, come and spell. M for monkey, M for moon, N for nest, N for nut, O for owl, O for orange, P for pen, P for pig, N-N-O-P, sing and spell with me. Phonics is fun, come and see. Q for queen, Q for quilt, Q, 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 Q. R for rabbit, R for ring, S for sun, S for star, S, 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 S. T for toy, T for tiger, T, 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 T. Q, R, S, T, sing and spell with me. Phonics is easy, 1, 2, 3. U for umbrella, U for rock, U, 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 U. B for violin, B for band, U, 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 U. W for water, W for wind, W, 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 W. X for xylophone, X for box, X, 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 U, V, W, X. Sing and spell with me. Let's keep going. Y for yo-yo, Y for yak, Y. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z, 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 Z. Now we've sung our ABC. Come on.